In this VoiceBrigade review, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about this software. VoiceBrigade lets you unlock AI-powered, realistic, human-sounding voiceovers in just 3 clicks. Sell this service to clients and generate huge paychecks month after month. Instantly earn thousands of commissions easily with commercial license, brand new AI-based text-to-speech software, AI voices to capture the right tone, access to DFY content, instantly convert any text into 100% human-like sound, choose from 20 different voices and 40 languages, boost trust, customer engagement and profits hands down, higher accuracy and real time with AI-based translation and voiceover technology, reach wider audiences with natural sounding voiceover technology, engage your audience, boost your sales and conversions, completely newbie friendly, step-by-step training included. With VoiceBrigade, provide AI-powered pro-quality voiceover services, solving the pressing need of desperate millions of businesses, saving them thousands of dollars. Meanwhile, you earn super commissions. Creating realistic human speech voiceovers has never been simpler, easier, and cheaper. Follow these 3 steps and transform any text into a human-sounding voiceover. Step 1. Log in and paste. To begin, just log into the software and paste the text you need to convert into human-related sound, and our AI-based software gets into action. Step 2. Select languages and voice. We offer 20 voices and 40 plus languages for you to choose from. You can preview each voice to hear and find the one that best fits your needs. Also, you can add breathing sounds, longer pauses in the speech, and even choose the tone of the speech, adjust the pitch, set emphasis, and so much more. Step 3. Download and use. Now go ahead and download the voiceover generated. You can play the voiceover directly from the software to see if you like it or you want to try a different voice. You can use it for your projects. People are absolutely loving this new voiceover technology. Take a look at what they have to say. Great product. Blown away by its quality voiceovers. They sound so natural. I was looking for something like this for my podcast and business. I'm so lucky to have found this. No more doing my voiceovers by myself or hiring someone to do it. I got a real worthy professional software in my hands. I use VoiceBrigade for creating voiceovers for my sales videos. The response was awesome. I've been searching for something like this for a while now. Totally love it. Looking forward to creating more awesome voiceovers. From the desk of fire launchers, Ashwath Shivaram and John Tari. Hi there. We all know the importance of voiceovers, but we all also know the reality of the voiceover industry. First, we spent exorbitant time and money for hiring freelancers, and then sometimes the voiceover generated sounds turn out to be robotic. Hence, we are here with an innovative software that will resolve all your clients' problems and help you scale you or your client's business by meeting all voiceover needs easily and cheaper. We proudly present our brand new software that will help generate thousands in commission by helping your clients generate naturally sounding voiceovers that easily capture audience attention and boost conversions and sales. Our software will fulfill all voiceover needs without having you paying a single penny anymore separately. This way, your clients can easily engage with potential audience in international markets, increase global reach, and rank for multiple languages and content, all in a few clicks. Go from text to speech with a versatile AI voice generator and save thousands of dollars spent on freelancers and voiceover apps. Introducing VoiceBrigade, a powerful, automatic, multilingual voiceover app that instantly generates human-like, natural-sounding voiceovers for any script in 40 voices and 20 languages within minutes, using its ever-adapting artificial intelligence. Make studio-quality voiceovers in minutes. Use VoiceBrigade's real-sounding voices for podcasts, videos, and all your professional presentations. Let's check out some of the amazing features you get with VoiceBrigade. Super simple dashboard. Everything is right in front of your eyes. No clicking around trying to find the tools to use. The layout is designed to make sure you can start generating high quality, text-to-speech fast. Easy to use editor. It comes with a built-in, easy-to-use editor that makes it easy for you to edit text way before you get the final output to be used. Engaging, realistic, human-like voices. Choose from 40 realistic human-like voices that sound real. Our selection of AI voices covers feminine, masculine, and neutral tones, and spans a variety of ages and accents so you can tell your stories, your way, and give an unmatched experience to your audience. Supporting 20 languages. Make your presence felt on a global scale and reach maximum customers worldwide by choosing from 20 top languages across the globe. Now, that's something that your audience will definitely fall for. Instantly convert text into speech files. It has all the powers you need to convert any script into attention-grabbing and traffic-sucking voice audio files in a few minutes. Now you too can increase your sales and be on top without any hassles. Pick your pace. Customize your voiceovers with our speed controls. Whether you want to stay under a time limit or take things slow, you can find the right speed for your video. All you need to do is choose a voice and experiment with the speaking speed slider. Easily modulate and pitch your audience. Managing the pitch and speed of your voiceovers couldn't get faster and easier than this. It is created from the grounds up, keeping your audience in mind, so make adjustments as and when you need to get the best results. Other voice controls. You can also set emphasis how you like, set say as, set breaks for natural talking, set paragraph breaks, and set sentence breaks. Secured membership area. Be rest assured of any security breaches or violations. Its access comes with a fully secured members area that ensures you don't face any hassles in any case. Step-by-step video training. It comes with a very easy and step-by-step video training that makes using it as easy as child's play. Just follow this training and the results you get will be overwhelming. Fully cloud-based software. It is fully cloud-based software, so you won't have to spare a thought for any download or installation hassles ever. Commercial license. This is your superpower. With this, you can sell this premium service and easily land high-paying clients in minutes. There is no limit to earn with this feature, and you have unlimited earning potential. VoiceBrigade gives you super quick, efficient, and cheaper voiceover every time on time, without the hassle of dealing with freelancers. Picture this scene. Everything's going swimmingly. Your freelancer is meeting your business needs, they're sending you assets on time, and then suddenly everything stops. Out of nowhere, your freelancer stops responding to messages and starts missing deadlines. Eventually, they drop off the radar completely, money, work, and time disappearing down the drain, leaving you completely clueless. A total nightmare, right? Unfortunately, like most wonderful things, hiring freelancers and freelance jobs comes with their set of potential problems. You're out of control. Freelancers are unlikely to have loyalty to your business. Lack of contact. Don't expect minute-by-minute updates on their process. They often work remotely, so time zones and different schedules need to be considered before they can ruin your plans. You're not their sole focus. Freelancers are busy bees. The talent pool for freelancing is so large that in order to compete with the best, they take on multiple jobs online at any time. Payment problems. You're going to have to sort out all the nitty-gritty details of payment yourself. You won't exactly have your freelancer on the company payroll. Unclear expectations. If you give vague instructions and the project turns out a disaster, you've really got no one to blame but yourself. Sorry. You're a cheapskate. If you're paying a ludicrously low amount, you should probably expect that the work may mirror this. But VoiceBrigade will never do that to you. It delivers your voiceover right when you need it without having to worry about VoiceBrigade disappearing like some freelancers do. Plus, you will not have to pay repeatedly for getting small changes done to your project. With VoiceBrigade, never again will you or your customers have to pay commercial fees on voiceovers, search endlessly on freelancer sites for voiceover talent, give thousands to voiceover artists only to end up disappointed with the quality you'll have to spare money to grow your own business with, waste hundreds of hours recording your own voice scripts, scare away your visitors with creepy sounding voiceovers, wait weeks for a voiceover to be finished. Reasons why you'll fall in love with VoiceBrigade. The right to sell voiceover services can help you start your own profitable voiceover business. 2. AI delivers higher accuracy in generating natural human-like voiceovers, which is a game changer. 3. Generate voiceovers into different languages in male or female voices and multiple accents. 4. Cutting-edge, groundbreaking technology. 5. Boost customer engagement and reduce bounce rates. 6. 100% customization at an affordable price. 7. Abandon all money-sucking voiceover artists. 8. Newbie and pocket-friendly technology. 9. Zero compromise on quality. So get ready to amplify your impact, reach, and results and drive sky-high engagement with VoiceBrigade. Click here to get instant access to VoiceBrigade with a commercial license. Regular price is $67, but today it's $17. You are completely at zero risk with our product. Our awesome VoiceBrigade comes with a special 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee policy. If at any time within 30 days of purchasing you are not 100% satisfied, you may return it to us for a refund, no questions asked. Your satisfaction is our primary concern. We may keep talking about our powerful software, but ultimately you have to try it out for yourself and make sure this is for you. Thank you for watching this VoiceBrigade review.